Guys, before today's video starts, please go down and subscribe. All right, so we're in a different part of the shop, obviously, but we're talking here. We're working on small block. As you can see, got all the rods in, got all the pistons in, everything's done. Brand new rings, bearings, everything. It's all done. As you can see, I already have started putting my RTV to put the oil pan on. Everything spins over nice and smoothly. If I use my, friend here who wants to help me, that'd be nice. Yes, everything nice and smooth. Torqued all the rod bolts down to 45 foot-pounds. As you can see, a bunch of Loctite all over everything. It is how we do it here, and it is how you do it right. Maybe this is a different way you want to do it, but this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to get this oil pan on and get right back to you guys. All right, as you guys can see, we've been moving and grooving. So I've got everything basically cleaned up, ready to go. And as far as I can right now, I'm going to start messing with some of the brackets to get the accessory drives done, like for the belt and whatnot. I already have the brand new water pump on because the old one was junk. I put the head gaskets in place just to, mock up, make sure everything's nice and clean and where they should. These little gaskets in the middle, a lot of guys like them, a lot of guys don't. Some say they just leak either way. Just put a big glob RTV across the front and back and we won't have a problem. I'll probably end up doing it. They're just there basically just to be there. I had them. So, also have my rocker arms here, my push rods, and the lifters. Those are installed. Everything's nice, clean, ready to go. When we get a set of heads, trying to think. Basically, I'm as far as I can go besides pulleys. We are going to order up a brand new starter for this thing because that thing right there was a starter. So if you compare that to my foot, I wear size 11. That's a fucking starter. I think that starter came off of an Abrams tank or some shit. World War II ass shit. This thing weighs at least 20 pounds alone because it was a pain in the ass to get out of the car, and I don't know why the hell they would ever put something that big and something this small, I would say. It's just unreasonable. Maybe I'll put it on a scale and actually show you guys how heavy that fucking thing is. But it is a big fucking piece of junk. It worked, but it was a big piece of junk. So we'll be putting on a mini high torque starter on this thing to clean up things and obviously get rid of a lot of fucking weight because that thing sucked. I guess I'll be trying to get these old crusty, dusty, nasty cylinder heads from this to that. And yes, I know this is going to get cleaned up a little more. Yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so this is the process. I've already done paint stripper on this one time. Blew it all off. Now this is the second coat of paint stripper, trying to get it all cleaned up. But as you can see, the head will look just like this. We'll spray it black because orange is ugly, and I'm not big on the orange. You should know the car's blue. Having an orange motor in there, I don't know. I'm just not into it. I like everything being black or just nice and simple. So we're doing like the black and chrome deal, or the black and like factory metal. So I'll get back to you guys when I get all this blue off and cleaned up, and then we'll start the wire wheeling and everything to get it nice and clean before we spray it black. And then we'll take it over to the motor and start getting it all set up. I got a set of head bolts on the way already and carburetor gaskets. All right, guys, so I got both heads finished up. Start slapping them on, and basically it's just use a little YouTube magic. And damn, look at that thing. Sheesh. Just from mock-up. The intake's not all the way on. Still got some little things to do, but for the most part, damn. Gotta put a plug in the back, get the distributor set all the way in, polish up these carburetors. But damn, did it turn out nice. Well, that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.